This old house had good bones. It deserved a second chance. We gave it one. It was an exciting project. This home was hidden. Vines covered the beautiful stone. The windows were boarded up. The roof sagged. But we saw potential. We wanted to keep the home's history. We also wanted modern comforts. It was a balancing act, but we made it work. The house had thick stone walls. These kept the house cool in summer. We knew we had to keep them. They were part of the home story. The original beams were beautiful. We restored them carefully. Now they add character to the living space. They remind us of the past. The old fireplace was crumbling. We rebuilt it using the original stones. Now it's a beautiful focal point. We love gathering around it. We added large windows. These flood the home with natural light. The rooms feel open and airy. It's a big change from the dark old days. The kitchen is now modern and functional. It has sleek countertops, stainless steel appliances shine. It's a joy to cook in this space. We added a patio off the back. It has comfortable seating. It's the perfect spot to enjoy the outdoors. The old house feels brand new. This project had challenges. We had to work with the existing structure. We wanted to be respectful of the home's history. We used reclaimed wood whenever possible. We sourced materials locally. It was important to maintain the home's authenticity. In the end, we found harmony. The old and new complement each other. The house is beautiful, functional, and full of life.